Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Lenovo Yoga 715 IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips M00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your device and preventing static damage. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips M00 screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious, as there are clips holding the panel in place. Work your way around the edges until the panel is free. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure optimal performance after the repair. Now, carefully disconnect the battery by removing the screws that hold it in place. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts while you work on the charging port. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation without any commitment. Next, locate the screws securing the charging port. Remove these screws using the Phillips 00 screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the charging port away from the motherboard. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Now take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it into place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new charging port. Connect your charger and check if the laptop powers on. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device fixed without any hassle. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Finally, power on your laptop and check the functionality of the new charging port. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about your repair options. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the charging port on your Lenovo Yoga 720 15 IKB. Enjoy your device with its new charging capabilities. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.